What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to have something a little bit different on this channel, and that is going to be the One More triple driver in-ear headphones. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so One More was actually nice enough to send out these earbuds. Now these are going to be lower price earbuds, meaning that they aren't going to be an arm and a leg. They aren't going to cost as much as Beats. They are going to be under $100, and just coming in at $80, it's pretty insane that we have some triple driver in-ear headphones right here. But let's go and take a look at them. So as you guys can see, we have a little bit of literature on the front of this. Really nice packaging, really solid box right here. This is going to be an all plastic box. As you guys see, we're going to have two balanced armatures in here with one dynamic driver deliver. Now these are going to be some of the first earbuds to actually have triple drivers in them. And I've heard really good things from this company, so let's go ahead and open this up. So it looks like on the side we can open this up like a little booklet, which is actually pretty dope. So let's go ahead and open that up. Now, as you guys can see, this is pretty much an unboxing experience. We have a ton of art and a ton of different blueprints that I'm pretty sure are of the One More triple driver in-ear headphones. So really awesome stuff right here. It looks really nice. Presentation is absolutely insane on this, but we're going to go ahead and unpack this right now and see what's inside of here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open this up. Presentation was definitely a big part of these headphones right here. Everything looks insanely premium, but let's go ahead and take a look at this first adapter right here. Now, if you guys don't know already, this is going to be an airplane adapter. Now, back in the day, they didn't have regular 3.5mm head jacks in planes. So if you guys go on any older airlines and you guys don't see a regular 3.5mm head jack, this is an adapter for that. So that's actually pretty cool. Next thing we're going to see right here is a clip from One More. So if you guys like to clip this to your t-shirt, maybe you're running or doing some sort of physical activity, and this is always a nice extra to go ahead and clip to your shirt. Now the next thing you're going to be seeing is basically different sizes of earbud tips. Now stay with me because they are going to be different materials. Now starting off with 10mm to 14.5, these are going to be different sizes of earbud tips that you're going to use whilst working out. Maybe you're walking, maybe you're running, but you guys are going to be using these while you are doing physical activities. Now as you guys see, the bottom tips, they are going to say foam tip under them. These are going to be foam tips, so you guys are not going to want to use these while walking, running, doing any sort of physical activity because sweat will get inside of them. So the foam tips are basically made for a more ergonomic feel. They basically expand inside of your ear, giving you a better listening experience. So I definitely wouldn't recommend using the foam tips when working out, but it's definitely awesome that we see different sizes and different materials, that being silicone and foam. So pretty cool stuff from One More right here. Next thing you're going to see right here is One More's little logo, and that's going to be your sticker. And we also have some more literature right here. And if you guys are ever confused about using these headphones, it also comes with a booklet. Now it looks like the last thing that we're going to be getting in here is the earbuds right here, and it looks like they come in a synthetic case. It's really awesome that they give us these synthetic cases. Definitely seen these with other companies, more premium companies such as Bowers and Wilkins and Sennheiser and different companies like that that are in the audio industry. So always a nice little touch to add something like this. Let's go ahead and open these up. We got some tape around this. Now taking this apart, we are going to get this rope type material. So if someone pulls on this, this is definitely not going to break like other earbuds that you guys have seen in the past. So really premium material on this. Really am liking this so far. This is going to be very sturdy. Definitely wouldn't pull on it, but it's going to be sturdy nonetheless. Next thing we're going to see is some basic controls. Pretty sure play, pause, volume up and down. Really nice to see that. So if you guys are working out and do want to skip a song, you guys can always go ahead and do a double click or pause the song with a single click or turn up and down the volume. So really nice to see those controls on this. Now the last thing that you guys are going to see in the box is the triple driver earbuds. Really nice looking earbuds. It looks like they're going to be made out of aluminum alloy, so they are a little bit heavier, feel a little bit more premium. As you guys know, more premium materials are pretty much heavier most of the time. But really nice looking headphones. They also come with two silicone ear tips, so they are straight out of the box ready for consumer use. So really nice to see that. But we're gonna go ahead and try these out. Now just a little bit more information on these earbuds. If you guys do have a phone with a DAC, maybe you guys are using LG and they have quad DAC audio, you guys are gonna get a much better listening experience. So definitely find that older phone that's laying around. Maybe it's a Sony phone, LG phone, or a Samsung phone that has quad DAC audio. The listening experience is going to be much better. So definitely find out if your phone has a DAC. So now that you guys have seen what we have in the box, this is literally all we get. There's nothing under here. Great unboxing experience from One More. Really awesome stuff right here. Really solid box as well. So if you guys are trying to keep this or trying to display it somewhere, you guys can definitely do so. But the most important part, the listening experience. How do these sound? I'm gonna go ahead and play one of my favorite songs right now. We're gonna see how they sound really quick. So first impression so far, putting them inside of my ear kind of mutes everything around me. These are not noise canceling by any means, but it is ergonomic enough to go ahead and expand in your ear and mute pretty much everything around you to a certain extent. All right, so we got my boy loaded up, DDG. We're gonna go ahead and listen to one of his songs right now and see how this sounds. Now, this is gonna be a rap song, so we are gonna be testing the bass inside of this headphones, but let's go ahead and turn this up and see how this sounds. Alright guys, so first impressions, I'm not going to get into too many details because the average consumer doesn't really know about audio too much, but these headphones are amazing. Honestly, I would go as far as to saying these are pretty much the best earbuds you can get on the market under $100. If you go to somewhere like Best Buy or Target or somewhere trying to pick up earbuds, you guys are not going to get a better deal than One More. I've listened to a ton of earbuds in the past, and at this price point, they're not even close to this. Now, getting into a little bit of detail, these sound like you're in a room. These sound like you're literally in the studio with the artist, and basically they're designed and tuned to pretty much show you what the artist was trying to interpret, to basically show you how it originally sounded as well. So amazing headphones right here. Not going to get into detail yet because I have to do my full review of these, but so far these are definitely a go. For $80, these are absolutely insane. But if you guys do want to go and check these out, I will leave a link in the description down below. Amazing earbuds. Definitely thank you One More for sending these out. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be using these every day. These are going to be my main earbuds now. Really appreciate it. But yeah, before you guys go, you guys definitely need to follow my socials. I'm going to be doing a little review on Instagram, so if you guys want to go and follow my Instagram at tech.right, you guys are always welcome to, and go on Twitter at TechRight101. Tweet at me if you guys have any questions, and I'll go ahead and answer them. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.